This is the wildfire burning on highway, just off of Highway 97C. They're calling it the Drought Hill Wildfire. Got a crew of about 20 that are working it right now. This is one of the hot spots. The team has surrounded this. They've got some hoses. They're starting to suppress this with some water. You see the firemen walking in front of us there, in front of the flames. We're just starting to action this fire now. On this flank, they've got men way up on top and around it, and women surrounded this thing with hoses now. They're making some good headway. As long as the wind stays down, they should have some success on this fire tonight. Again, this is just one of the hot spots, really, the fire. I'll pull out here for show you that it's not as bad as that one hot spot looks. It's almost like a back burn, as the firemen call it, where it's come down to the line here. About 100 yards from the Highway 97C. There's a roadway that a gravel roadway that's below us here. Also will act as a guard for this fire if it happens to come through these trees, but these guys have got it surrounded with hoses, so it's looking pretty good. There's a couple of hot spots. It's one of the higher ones, but you can see they're very few and far between. The wind was really heavy earlier, and that's what helped to fan this. We'll see if it's going to make it through this strand of trees or not. And go back down to the hot spot here. You have 3 or 4 of the firemen there. They've got they do have hoses down in this area, and they've got their pumps going, so they are starting to spray water on this hot spot. The wind has picked up again. You can probably hear it through the microphone. This is taken at 12:30 a.m. if you're watching the retelecast of this. We are recording this live on Friday morning now. See, the blue lights are the firefighters. So I might go offline here shortly, but I'll see if I can get it back up. But it looks like they'll be having this under control soon, this one hot spot, and they'll be working to contain the little hot spots as the night progresses. So for Castanet News, I'm Trevor Rockcliffe.